Brand spanking new to our inventory here at Myers Automall, we have this wonderful 2019 Nissan Armada Platinum Edition SUV. If you've been in the market for a full-size SUV for the entire family, this one's going to make everyone happy. On the exterior of this Armada, we have heated and power door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, a backup camera, and a full power liftgate. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 7 with heated first and second row seats, push-to-start technology, a power moonroof, and a rear DVD entertainment system. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation, has Bluetooth technology, and the Bose 13th speaker premium audio system. Driving will never be boring. This 2019 Nissan Armada Platinum Edition SUV has less than 27,000 miles and it's still under a full factory warranty, and this one also comes with a Carfax buyback guarantee. Give Myers Automall a call at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.chrismyers.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.